So, welcome back to our second lecture, dear friends, and in case you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so that you can get alerts each time we upload a video. In our last video, we had discussed about the basics of Forex, and I promised to upload a second lecture about what currency trading really is and how to trade these currencies in Forex. Let's get going. So, what are currencies? A currency is a standardization of money in any form in use or circulation as a medium of exchange, for example, banknotes and coins. A more general definition is that a currency is a system of money in common use within a specific environment over time, especially for people in a nation or a state. In other words, currency is the money we use in a particular country to buy things. It is basically used as a medium of exchange, and it is no different from the ones traded on Forex. It is also important to note that currencies are traded in pairs. So, by exchanging the one currency for another, a trader is speculating on whether one currency will rise or fall in value against the other. So, what is this currency pair we are talking about? A currency pair is a quotation of two different currencies, with the value of one currency being quoted against the other. Let's take an example of a currency pair. In our example today, we have the Euro USD. So the euro in this case is going to be, actually it's the base currency. So the first listed currency of a currency pair is called the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote currency. In our case, the quote currency is the USD. Now you know what a currency is, and so let us take examples of major currencies pairs that are traded globally. We have 7 major currencies, but there are also others, but currencies are divided into 3. There are 3 types of currency pairs. We have the majors, the cross, and the exotic. So I'll talk about that later in the video. So the 7 major currencies pairs, we have the first one, which is the euro and the US dollar. They do not necessarily follow any order, but let's just mention them. We have the euro and the US dollar. We as well have the US dollar and the Japanese yen. We have the British pound sterling and the US dollar. We have the US dollar and the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar and the US dollar, which I normally trade with, the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. We as well have others, but I'll mention them later. So, as I've mentioned, currencies are grouped into 3. We have the majors. The majors, which we have seen from this video, are 7. We have the crosses. In this case, a cross is one that consists of a pair of currencies traded in Forex that does not include the US dollar. We also have the crosses. In this case, a cross is one that consists of a pair of currencies traded in Forex that does not include the US dollar. And the common cross currency pairs involve the euro and the Japanese yen. And the third one we had mentioned should be the exotics. And the exotics, which are a currency pair group that consists of a currency from an emerging economy or a currency from a small country with a small developing economy. So those are the 7 major currencies that are traded globally, but we as well have other currencies, but in our case we will learn using the above currencies. So we have come to the end of our second lecture. Thanks to all of my dear viewers for watching this video. Kindly hit the subscription button to get more videos from the Flame Forex traders. And in our next video, we will cover how to start trading currencies as a beginner. Let's meet in the lecture session.